So, what move you want to do in the first frame is like you can move this like here, or you can like move your hands. You can also move your feet if you need to. So this would be like a running pose. So if you want to take a frame, then press this. And then if you know that you want to do something else with the moving, like pull it out if you want to, like, and then I would say, and then he's running more, okay? He's running. So, and when you want to play, you can just press play and it plays it for you. And it says how many frames you do, 4 of 4. So, and then I can move it again, like see, I'm jumping, okay? It's jumping, so I take a new frame. When it jumps, it's a new frame. So, then when you want to like move like this thing right here and move your hand right here, jump in even higher. And you can also see lines. You can go in lines, press, and it makes lines like body force. And circles you can use. Like you can use circles and like if you want to like make, let's see, it needs to be dot and dot. And keep moving it exact way you really want it to move. But when you are in, like when you want to delete it, you press on the light, and then if that happens, you just press OK. But so you can come to white, back to white, or you can just back to black. Black one means it turns back to regular. So like, see, regular and regular. Like, and you can like to cut these. Like you can also like change the colors just by pressing it, and you can use the body. And if you want a figure, you go in figure and Stykz figure, and then there's another figure, and then you can pull it out, and then see, if you want to cut, you just press cut, and it cuts the other person. So like you can also use different, like, see, let's play again. That's only 5 frames. See right here, it tells 5 frames of 5 frames, okay? And then press X to get. And then, you know, if you want to cut this, just go right here and cut. And that's gone. See, it's disappeared. Like, it was first right here, and it's gone. And if I want to cut the circles, so I just go like this, cut. Just go like this, cut. And if it doesn't work, just try again. Like, if it becomes small, then just make it small. And then, keep, like, if it's on yellow, it basically doesn't work. But you could just press cut, or you could just press this and keep moving. And also you can use, and then if you want to take more clips, keep using them. I would say 3 or 2 would be the best amount of clips, because like the clips, the most clips you can get like would be like 44. And whenever you scroll down your mouse, it makes some different colors. You can pick the color. I would say this would be a good color. And when you are, if you want a figure, if I want a new figure, I would say cut or paste or copy. I could press copy and nothing will happen. And when you want to like cut this out or take a new frame, just press. And you can be like, you can make imaginative things out of sticks. And circles and lines. And circles and lines are like the main thing you can use. Like if you want to make a tree, here's an example. Like put this right here and stretch it out. And when you need to, then you, if you want to stick like a line, like you press it down and push it to the side, and like you push it to the. If you like go like on, see if like I go here, it says if you need to click on a nude or other or order into add a line, you press OK. But if like you can do it on outside or on the dots, exactly on the dots. Sometimes it's like a hard time doing like the dots, but you can just press, so like you can just press this, and like you can just, I'm gonna cut this, or I'm gonna put some lines, and then I'm gonna put a little figure here. You want to see? I'll make a figure, a robot figure thing. Okay? And I'll take some lines. Exactly center. And right now I'm making a, not like a trapezoid thing, but you could like put like a trapezoid, and right now I could just like put a line right here, and a little robot. But like when you wanna you wanna see my thing, like you can just press play again. It shows all what you got. 11 of 11 frames, okay? But you can go faster, and you can press like things like, you can go in black edge, and you see like here is a black edge. You don't want to touch, it doesn't work. So like either if you use lines only on white spaces and dots. Remember that. Or then, because that's like one of the most important rules. Because when you take a new frame, let's say 3, I need 3. And you see like if you go to figure and just Stykz figure, and it moves your Stykz figure, and there's another, just pull it, this figure in the middle, see? And the Stykz figure, other Stykz figure could like help, or you could just move, or you can move it, but you can also just like press like a line will change its color, See, it changed the color. But you can also make your own figures, like you can take a head or a circle and put it wherever you need it to. Like this small, right here, like that. And then if you want a line, press it right here, and it comes to that. So I would say switch your head, like turn it, or you can make, and this happens again. So you need to like put exactly right. I'm making a sideways person. So, but you want to make not the third dot because you made it, and it will become a kind of worse because like you need it up here and then hands. I'm making a bat right now, or it could be like a little figure up sideways, and I said it was like a figure, sorry, but like it's hey, you would make longer legs to make it a little figurey, and you could just, and that happens if you try moving the body, like see the blue on, and press this if you want this mode, and yeah.